Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display a button in native Android application with XML layout. So if here you can see, if I click on the button, I display a toast message called hello world. So let's see how to do this. So here I have just created an Android project using XML layout, and then I have just taken one button over here. For width and height I have kept it as wrap content. Text I have given it as click me, and I have created one reference string for it. So here you can see, if you use something like this is called as referencing a string, which is like writing a string inside strings.xml and referencing it over here. Then I have given it some ID as well. Then I have added constraint for bottom and start and top to our parent view. That's why it is displayed at the center. Now to add one click listener to it, I will go to our main activity, create one variable called button. Then I am finding it by its ID. So here you can see the ID was button as well. That's why we can use it directly over here. And then I have assigned one click listener to our button, and inside that I'm just displaying a toast message. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.